ipag-pray. Di ba nakikits nyo? Mag-pray ko, makulitan ni Lord. Nakikits nyo, wala na. Are you learning something? Yes or no?
Yes.
Question again to close this session. Mahalaga ba na magkaroon tayo ng multiple sources of income? Yes or no?
Yes.
Mahalaga na magkaroon ba tayo ng plano? Yes or no?
Yes.
I'll end with this story. What if there's a blind billionaire? Isang bulag na billionaire. Lumapit sa iyo. Okay? Lumapit sa iyo at sinabi, I want to buy your pair of eyes because I'm blind. Can you sell it to me? 10 million. 10 million. Pera o bayo? Bayo. 50 million. 100 million. Grabe, hindi kayo talaga negosyante. 100 million, ayaw nyo?
Pwede.
Sa pera na ano? Kasi may pera na eh.
Pwede na daw. Bili ka na lang.
Why aren't you willing to sell your pair of eyes for 100 million? Why? Because it's valuable. Agree? Come on, do you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
How come you're not willing to sell at 100 million, but you're willing to be paid based on your time? Ayaw mo kumain sa 100 million, pero kumain ka. Sa ganung klaseng income, you deserve better. Do you agree? You want to learn more? Yes or no?
Yes.
Later on, I will share with you a 3-minute guide to become a successful financial advisor. Gusto nyo? 3 minutes lang to. Pero kung bago gawin yan, let me call all the host, please. You will change your entire trajectory. Hindi mo kailangan na marami. Kaya kailangan mo mag-try ka talaga. Never be afraid. Next, please. One of the best mentors that I can find, no other than Francis Fong. Si Francis Fong, the cousin of Kang Fong, sino mo Francis? Siya yung coach sa akin, nag-mentor sa akin, grabe. Ano kung hindi niyo ako kinaus ni mentor kapatid? Wala. So how would you know your purpose? Sisimplihan pala. 2 things. Ano ba si 2? Number 1, know what you're good at. Saan ka magaling? Don't follow your passion. It's a lie. My passion was to become a PBA player. Bastos talaga naman. There's a problem. I'm underprivileged. Underhyped. Privilege, no? Kaya passion ko hindi. But you know what? This is what I'm good at. I'm really good at taking something that is very complicated and make it very simple for people to understand. If you read my book, Diary of a Pulubi, how many Filipinos read that book? 22 money mistakes. Yes. It's so simple. Mababasa mo agad, maintindihan mo agad. Number 2, once you found already what you're good at, again, the next goal is for you to become the best. Again, siya. Best compared to whom? Best compared to you. Don't compare yourself with others. You compare yourself with yourself. Come on, 10 years ago, 2016 compared to 2026, are you in a better place right now? Come on, yes or no?
Yes.
Good job!
Definitely, yes.
Ibig sabihin, okay ka. But if you want to compare yourself with others, ang layo pa. Agree?
Yes.
2 things. Know what you're good at, ang goal mo, galingan mo.
Yes.
One more? Here, sir. Ang unang presentan mo, kunyari ka na sa ano ka, ang unang presentan mo, aso. Pag ayaw ka, hindi ko pala. Kaya sabi sa aso, lola mo, naungyarin. Ano ko na school weeks, nagigets mo? Develop the confidence. That's all. Kasi gusto natin, wala ka pa alam, nag-benta ako yung mga ano, tapos susunod mo yung contact mo, sayang. Sabi ka muna, if I were you, I'll ask Show me how to do it. Okay, ganito. Okay, yung training session na. Number one, if you are a manager here or a leader here, first you teach them. Number two, please show them. Show them how to do it. Don't teach them and leave them. They'll die. Teach them, show them. Number three, share with them. Share with them some responsibilities. Ikaw opening, ako muna yung di ba? Pali-pali ka kayo. And then after you show them, you watch them. Pag confident man, sa you. Pero yun nga. Give yourself. For people, ito lang, diretsuhin ko na kayo. For people who want to succeed in this, yes or no? Parang ayaw nyo.
Yes!
Yes or no?
Yes!
Give yourself 6 months to 1 year to learn. 6 months to 1 year. Ang goal mo, hindi kumita agad. Ang goal mo lang matuto kung paano yung industry, paano gawin to. Gets mo? Don't leave your job. Eh, paano ka makaklose mo na first month? Eh, good news. Di ba, kung natututo ka, kumikita ka na. Pero kung ang intention mo kumita agad, mag-quit ka agad dito, eh, wala ka pang alam. Lalo na kung boss ka, leader ka, wala, no choice ka. You set appointment, you set meeting, you adjust. Alam mo, itong negosyo ko. Guide to become a successful financial advisor. Again, first learn before you what? Earn. That's what first thing that you need to learn, please. Mahirap magturo sa iba kung mismo ikaw din mo ginagawa.
Yes.
Nag-ipo ka na ba? Wala akong ipo. Nagigits mo? Paano maniniwala sa iyo tao kung hindi mo ginagawa? Second, learn selling skills. Even if you know everything, but if you cannot communicate, if you cannot close, you're nothing. Agree?
Yes.
So let me ask you something. Okay. How many years in sales? 49. I'm not a teacher, I'm a practitioner. When I was selling real estate, I sold 35 units in 6 weeks. When I was selling financial products, my team sold 1 billion new sales collection in 1 year. Gusto niyo malaman ang secret ako?
Yes.
Cute ako eh. No, you know what? I master the process. Everybody say process.
Process.
This is the process. Sulit nyo to. Hindi kasama ito session. Bonus na to. You want to be successful in selling, prospecting, setting an appointment, presentation, closing, handling of objection, follow-up. Again, prospecting, setting of appointment, presentation, closing. Diba? Handling of objection, follow-up. Master mo yung process nila. This is what I realized. Products change, services change, but the sales process never changed. Real estate, prospecting, manufacturing, presentation, flyering, saturation, pagkatapos yan, setting appointment, tripping na, house tripping, after that, you present, you try to close, after you have objection, you continue, and after that, you magbibili agad, you do follow-up, ganun din, in financial product, you prospect, you ask, may plano ka ba? Di ba? Meron ka namang income replacement fund, and then you set an appointment, you present, you try to close it, wala pa akong pera, I don't have the budget. Diba, you try to handle objection and try to show them, oh, na may budget siya. And after that, you try to close and follow up. Products change, services change, but the sales process never changed. Gusto niyo matutunan yung tinuturo ko? Yes or no?
Yes.
You know how much I charge per person when I was selling, when I was doing this? I was charging at least 10,000 pesos per person. One whole day session. Pero gusto niyo mapanood ng libre?
YouTube.
Parang ayaw nyo, di ba? Mamaya tapusin ko na ito. Next, ang most important, learn financial what? Skills. Learn what? And the most important part, third, is what? Continuous practice. Stick to the person you invited. Nagigets nyo? Kung sino nag-invite sa inyo, attend your sessions, attend your ano. Kung may tanong ka, tanong ka. Okay lang na magtanong. Okay lang makulit. Gets nyo? Now, question, what if I can also offer you a coaching session with me? Sino sa inyo interesado?
Free.
So if you're serious of becoming a top financial advisor, ito na gagawin ko. Ito, number 1, financial skills, learn how to budget. Budgeting planner, nandyan na. Manage your finance. Tapos may other books, nandyan na rin. Number 2, benta-benta pagbentahin. That is my 10,000 pesos program. Okay? And then, screenshot please. May 15, I will have a group coaching session. And I want to invite you. We charge at least 5,000 pesos per person for this, but I'm going to give this to you, kasama na rin to. Via Zoom. Okay? So, pag ipapackage natin yung buong amount na ito, easily, I can charge you how much? 10,000. Sa palagay nyo, may value ba itong session na ito? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sino sa inyo interesado? Let us know. What if I can give this to you for free?
Wow. For free.
Sino G? Pa free yan. Pagkatasa mo naman.
Woo!
Pero ang reality, if I can give it for free, walang mag-a-attend sa inyo. Ask me why. Walang commitment. Tama rin naman, kalimutan mo na, wala. So right now, because I want really to attract people who are serious. So instead of making 10,000, I just want a commitment. Let's make it a commitment fee na lang. Instead of 10,000, let's make it what? Sino sa inyo, G?
Yes.
So this is only good for first 100 people. Ha? Via Zoom po. Kasama na yung coaching, kasama na yung session, kasama na yung books, lahat and everything. Kasama mo pa rin, uwi na rin ako, sasama na rin ako. Now after the session, if you want to take a photo up with me, just go out and I will sign all the books for you. Please, tonight, you're going to make a very special decision. Ang decision niyo lang ganito. Number 1, magkakaroon ka ng income replacement fund. Gusto niyo yun? Yes or no?
Yes.
And number 2, you will have the capacity to earn and also help others. So go back to the person who invited you. Thank you very much. And God bless you.
Thank you so much.